with another one for you today. It's been a while since I sold the last car and did some Bronco uploads. Really haven't done much with it. But today, this is the new car. 2022 Ice White edition, 10-speed, 5.0. I had a 10-speed before. Everyone knows the issues I had with it. But this one's 2022, so hopefully it's better. No tick right now. It has a little over, close to 300 miles on it. Not 300,000, 300. No ticking at all. I already got some parts lined up for it. I'll show you guys here. I'm gonna flip the camera around, show you guys some of the parts. It will be a boosted car, twin turbo. I got the turbo kit. Eventually it'll be a sleeve block. I got a new 10R80 to have built. I got a stall converter for it. I have everything pretty much for it except for the suspension and axles. So I'll flip this camera around, let you guys see some of the parts I got. I still got stuff coming in. I do have an RPG sleeve 5.2 Predator block that I bought, but it's needs some fixing. So it dropped a valve, but we think that it can be all fixed. So hopefully we can fix it and get a price on that soon and see what you guys, we'll see what this car can do with the sleeve block in it. But first I'm gonna go with the Gen 3 block and see what I can do stock with just a twin turbo kit. I'd like to get it in the 8s. That's what I'm pushing for. Then maybe low 8s with the 5.2. But lots of parts here. I'm gonna show you guys now what all I bought. So far, I'm about into this car, a little over 16,000 on parts, and the car was 49, I think, 48. So I'll keep you guys updated on everything. You guys will see the whole build list, what it takes to build a twin turbo, brand new 5.0 2022 in this inflated market. Everything so far I bought is used parts, but everything's really pretty damn close to brand new. As you can see, I have the drag pack and everything. I'll let you guys take a look at everything, and then I'll come back to you here in a little bit. All right, so starting with this, I didn't want to have the car down for months and months and months. So I bought this used 10R80 from a guy. It is built, but there's an issue with it. We don't know what it is, but it was built and it does work. It shifts fine, but under power, it don't shift right. I got the stall converter for it. It's a 3600 stall. It's a boosted stall. The piping back there, you can see that's for the Hellion kit that I bought, twin turbo Hellion kit. Up here's a carbon fiber drive shaft, F14 beadlock wheels. Got the 4-to-1 headers for the Hellion kit. Got an exhaust. I got Corsa Extremes and a Corsa mid-pipe coming for the exhaust on the car. What else I got? Over here is well, up here in this box behind here, if you look up here, this is the Steeda Stop the Hot kit. Pretty much the subframe connectors and everything. Down here, I got your twin turbos. Got big injectors, 1350 X injectors or 1300 injectors. A whole bunch of other stuff in here, suspension-wise. More suspension stuff in this box here. So the car will be ready to go. I just need to work on getting the axle, suspension hooked up. But it'll be a fun car once it's all done. We're hoping for like low 8s whenever I get on the new motor. But with stock motor, I'm happy with low 9s, high 8s. But we'll see what it does after that. But thanks for watching, guys. Quick video, just to update you guys on what's coming up with the car. Everything's coming together. It should be done next year. I'm not putting anything on it really, except for a Wenger tune this year. I'm gonna use his tuning, see how it works out. If I can pass smog and everything. If it's all good with smog, then we'll go twin turbos. Catch you guys later in the next one.